Hello, good morning, students. Today is 2nd December. Now I go for statics and probability worksheet second and third. Today I am giving you all the introduction of this worksheet second and third. One examples each of worksheet second and third, and you are to solve worksheet second and third self within 2 days. Tuesday and Wednesday complete worksheet second and third. So what is circle graph or pie chart? Circle graph or pie chart. The figure given below represent the percentage of books on different subjects in a school library. So here a circle is a given. We can draw a circle with any radius, and English 30%, Maths 20%, Hindi 25%, Science 20%, and other 5%. So what is the fraction for English? 30% means 30 upon 100. It is equal to 3 upon 10. 20% means 20 upon 100, 1 upon 5. Hindi 25% means 25 upon 100, 1 upon 4. Science 20% means 25 upon 100, 1 upon 5. Others 5%, 5% means 5 upon 100, 1 upon 20. And the value of each part is equal to the value of all the subject is equal to one whole, because it is a part of a whole. It is a part of a whole. Now this figure is called a circle graph. This figure is called a circle graph or pie chart. So this figure is called a circle graph or pie chart. A circle graph shows the relationship between a whole and its parts. A circle graph shows the relationship between a whole and its parts. The circle is divided into different sectors. These are different sectors. This is the sector for English, sector for Maths, sector for Hindi, sector for Science, and sector for others. So first find the fraction for each sector, and then circle represented angle sector. To convert into angle sector, we multiply each part of a fraction by 360. Now look here how we can solve it. In second worksheet we can go for only this. What is given? Subject is given. Subject and part of circle represented. Subject English, Hindi, Mathematics, Science, others. English, the percentage is 30, and part of circle represented is equal to 30%, means 30 upon 100 is equal to 3 upon 10. Hindi is 25%. 25% means 25 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 4. Mathematics 20%. 20% means 20 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 5. And Science 20%. 20% means 20 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 5. Others 5%. 5% means 5 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 20. And dear children, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that after finding the part of a circle, if we can find the sum of every part, their sum is equal to one whole. Now look here, we can find the sum of 3 upon 10 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 20. Its value is equal to one whole. Look here, LCM is 20. 10 2 jar 3 2 jar 6 plus 4 5 jar 5 1 jar 5 4 jar 4 1 jar 5 4 jar 4 1 jar plus 1 6 plus 5 11 4 15 19 or 1 20. 21 upon 20 is equal to one whole. Yes, the value of all these part is equal to one whole. That is why this figure is called a circle graph or a pie chart, and circle graph shows the relationship between a whole and its part. It is the relationship between whole and its parts. The circle is divided into different sectors. So if we can find the sum of all these fractions, its value is equal to one whole. So in this way we can solve worksheet second 100% similar of these sums. First write subject and then part of circle represented. Either it is given in percentage, degree. If it is given in degree, divide it by 360. If it is given in hours, so one day has 24 hours. Divide each part by 24 hours. So in this way you can solve this worksheet second. Now I go for worksheet second, that is drawing a pie chart. How we can draw this pie chart? Next, worksheet third is that drawing a pie chart. Drawing a pie chart. So to draw a pie chart, first of all, with any radius, convenient radius, draw a circle. Draw a circle of radius, and then draw a circle of any radius. Then represent that is radius OA. After that, we can mark their angle sector. So how we can drawing a pie chart? I go for this worksheet third. Next, this is the example. The quantity of different fruits sold. The quantity of different fruits sold in fruit market in one day is given in percentage as follows. Fruit, apple, mango, bananas. Percentage of fruit sold 25%, 50% and 25%. Only 3: apples, mango and bananas 3. Now how we can draw a pie chart? Before drawing a pie chart, first of all we have to make a table. For table, what is the subject? Fruit, and a percentage of fruit sold, that is 25, apple 25%, mango 50% and bananas 25. Then other two columns will be your fraction and angle sector. In angle sector we multiplied the fraction by 360 to convert into angle sector, and the sum of these angle sector is equal to 360. So look here, 180 plus 90 plus 90, 360. So first fruits are your apple, mango, bananas. First fruit is your apple. Percentage of fruit sold 25. So what is the fraction for 25%? 25 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 4. What is the fraction for mango? 50 upon 100, 1 upon 2. What is the fraction for bananas? 25 upon 100, 1 upon 4. And sector angle. In sector angle we can multiply the fraction by 360, because in a circle the measure of complete circle is equal to 360. That is why in sector angle we can multiply each part of a fraction by 360. 1 upon 4 into 360, 90. It means the angle sector for apple is 90. The angle sector for mango is 1 upon 2 into 360, 180. And the angle sector for banana is equal to 1 upon 4 into 360, 90. So in this way, so how we can, after that we can draw a pie chart. To draw a pie chart, first take a center O with any convenient radius. Draw a circle of any radius. आपने O को सेंटर लेना, किसी भी रेडियस का अपने सर्कल विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंपास से आपने ड्रॉ करना है. कंपास से किसी भी रेडियस का अपने सर्कल, ये सेंटर एंड किसी भी रेडियस का आपने सर्कल लिया और रेडियस लिया और उसको सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लिया. आपने सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लिया, फिर आपने क्या किया, ओ ए, कोई भी आपने रेडियस ले लिया ओ ए, और ओ ए के बाद आफ्टर दैट यू कैन मेक योर टेक योर प्रोटेक्टर. विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर यू कैन मेक दिस एंगल. फर्स्ट ओ ए, एक ओ ए को आपने रेडियस लेंगे. नेक्स्ट कीप योर प्रोटेक्टर इन दिस वे ओ ए एंड एंगल sector angle for apple is, that is 90 degree. So 0 to 90. For bananas again this way 0 to 90 degree, and the rest one is that 50 degree means 180 degree. So in this way you can draw pie chart. So angle AOC is equal to, angle AOC is what? Angle AOC is 90 degree. Angle sector for apple, angle AOB is angle sector for bananas, and angle BOC angle sector for mangoes. In this way you can do worksheet third. So please, your homework will be your do worksheet second and third. Same sums from this example from worksheet second and this example from worksheet third. You can do worksheet second and third. Next video I will be send you on Thursday. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.